Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into some of the important updates in the Indian economy. From currency movements to political events and the latest monetary policy, we have got it all covered. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss out any latest news. Let's get started. Rupee recovers 16 paise against the dollar. The Indian rupee has recovered 16 paise from its all-time low, trading at 87.43 against the US dollar in early Friday trading. This recovery comes ahead of the Reserve Bank of India's monetary policy announcement. But forex traders remain cautious. There is a negative bias towards the rupee as the market expects the RBI to cut rates by 25 basis points. While a rate cut could boost liquidity and attract foreign investment, it could also lead to a further supply of rupees, putting more pressure on the currency. US sends illegal Indian immigrants back. A major, development, after the Trump. Okay, so a US Air Force cargo plane landed in Amritsar on Wednesday carrying 104 Indian nationals deported off for illegal entry. This marks the first known use of military aircraft for deporting illegal immigrants back to their home country. It's a huge step in dealing with illegal immigration, and this use of military resources highlights the seriousness of the situation. Delhi Assembly election. Who is in the race? Let's talk about politics. The Delhi Assembly elections were held on February 5th, I guess, yeah, and the results will be announced on February 8, 2025. It's going to be an intense triangular contest between Aam Aadmi Party, Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress. Aam Aadmi Party, led by the Arvind Kejriwal, aims for a hit track, while both BJP and Congress are gearing up for a tough fight. A total of 1 crore 55 lakh voters will decide Delhi's future. RBI MPC cuts repo rate by 25 base points to 6.25%. Now let's move on to the big financial news. The RBI Monetary Policy Committee has decided to cut the repo rate by 25 basis points to 6.25%. So this is the first rate cut in 2 years, marking a significant shift in India's monetary policy. Governor Sanjay Manotra made the announcement on Friday, that is on 7th February. He highlighted that the GDP forecast for financial year 2026 has been pegged at 6.7%, while inflation is projected at 4.2%. Despite the rate cut, the MPC has decided to continue with a neutral stance to support economic growth while managing inflation. Manotra emphasizing that the rate cut driven by a favorable outlook on food prices and the ongoing impact of previous RBI policy measures. The MPC has decided is seen as a move to balance growth and inflation targets while ensuring economic stability. So this RBI Governor Sanjay Manotra also expressed confidence in India's economic growth, stating that achieving a 7% growth rate of is higher. It might be higher is not only possible but should be a national aspiration. So there you have it, from the rupee's recovery to political battles in Delhi and major financial updates. 2025 is shaping up to be an interesting year for India. What do you think about the RBI's repo rate cut? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you.